In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a file in a Replit project. First, open the Replit app or the specific project you're working on. Make sure you're inside the project workspace so you can see the code editor. This is the area where you'll manage your project files. If your project takes a moment to load, wait until everything appears. Then confirm you're in the correct project before continuing. Next, look toward the top right of the interface for the pane icon that opens the Files pane on the right side. Click that icon to reveal the Files pane. If the pane is already open, you'll simply see the complete list of files and folders that are currently part of your project. This is where you'll create and manage new files. With the Files pane visible, look at the top of the pane for the New File button or icon. It's often shown as a small page with a plus sign. Click the New File icon to create a new empty file inside your project. The new file will be placed in whichever folder is currently selected in the Files pane, so make sure you've selected the location where you want the file to be created before you continue. After clicking New File, type the name of your file. Be sure to include the correct file extension based on the type of file you're creating. For a Python file, use .py. For a JavaScript file, use .js. For an HTML file, use .html. For a Markdown file, use .md. Enter the complete file name, so Replit creates the file with the correct extension. Keep your file name simple and easy to recognize. If possible, avoid using spaces in the name. Instead, use dashes or underscores to separate words. It's also a good idea to stay consistent with lowercase file names, since some systems are case-sensitive. Once you've entered the file name, the new file will appear in the files list. Click on the file to open it in the editor. You can immediately begin writing code, or adding whatever content you want to include in that file. That's all you need to do to add a file to a Replit project. Open your project, display the Files pane using the pane icon in the top right. Click the New File icon. Enter a clear file name with the correct extension, and then open the file from the list to begin editing. If you accidentally hide the Files pane at any point, simply click the same pane icon again to bring it back. With your new file created and opened, you're ready to continue working on your project.